Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm so excited to have you here. If you're new, welcome to Steffi D Creates. Don't forget to click that subscribe button. It's really important so you don't miss out on new Steffi D Creates videos when they come out, and click that notification bell. That way you get notified as soon as a video comes out so you are in the know and don't miss out on a video. Okay, now the business is taken care of. Let's get into today's video. Today we're going to be doing something super fun. We're going to be repurposing some Halloween decorations into Thanksgiving decorations. We're going to be taking these witch hat door decorations and turning them into beautiful centerpieces, cornucopias for Thanksgiving. Isn't that cool? Turn this into this. It's pretty awesome, right? These cornucopias can be used as centerpieces for Thanksgiving. You can put ribbon on them and hang them on your door as a wreath. It's totally up to you. There's a lot of things you can use this for. I just loved the idea of repurposing Halloween decorations into Thanksgiving decorations, and also making this beautiful cornucopia that you can customize, totally up to you on the colors and what you put in them. I just love it, and it's so easy to make. As always, full instructions for this project will be on my blog, steffidcreates.com. Links to all the products I used in this video in the comments below so you can make your own cornucopia centerpiece as well. They're just so much fun. They're really quick and easy to make. I'm so excited to show you how to make these, so let's get started. Come craft with me, Steffi D. Here's what you're going to need. A witch's hat decoration, burlap ribbon, fall decorations. I am using leaves, flowers, and pumpkins, a hot glue gun, and scissors. We're gonna start by taking the tinsel off of this witch's hat. So starting at one end, I'm just going to clip the tinsel and then unwrap it from the form. With Halloween being tomorrow, all of the Halloween decorations should start going out at a discounted price. So hopefully you can find this for pretty cheap, since we're gonna turn it from a Halloween decoration into a Thanksgiving decoration. I've seen some pretty cool ideas on what people have done with these Halloween decorations. I've seen scarecrow hats and elf hats and Santa hats and Grinch faces. I've seen so much done with this. So this cornucopia is just one thing that you can do if you get these Halloween decorations. So after you take your Halloween decorations down, if you know they're not really gonna make it until next year, you can do this and turn them into a decoration for the next holiday. Now that our tinsel has been removed, we have just the witch's wreath form. I don't know if you can see it. There you go. We're going to add our burlap ribbon. So I am going to start at the very tip of the hat, and with some hot glue, put a little bit of hot glue on the end of my ribbon here and place it onto the form. Once that's glued on there, I am just going to wrap the ribbon around the top of the hat. The trick is to try and wrap it evenly so all of your rows of ribbon are evenly spaced out. Now I am not going to do the end of the hat over there with burlap. I am just doing the top of it. So when I get to the bottom, I'm gonna wrap it around. And when I'm on the back, I'm gonna cut the ribbon and then hot glue the end of the ribbon down to itself. How you wanna decorate the overflow of the cornucopia is totally up to you. I'm just doing flowers and leaves and pumpkins, but you can add in corn and hay and any other fall decoration that you want. This is just one idea on how to do it. So how I start is where I have the last row of the burlap, I'm gonna do a layer of leaves. So I have my silk leaves here, and I'm just gonna pull them off so I have some to work with. I like to have my leaves coming out of the cornucopia towards the tip. It gives it a good base and a little bit more workspace if you're gonna be adding flowers and anything else. So taking my leaves, and I've got two on a stem here, I am going to lay them on my cornucopia on the burlap, and I'm going to glue the end, hot glue the end right to the edge of the burlap. This way it's just gonna give me a border going all the way down. Overlapping my leaves a little bit to give me a nice base, and just gluing them to the edge of the burlap. And if you have the little nods on the end still on there and you wanna hook a couple of leaves onto those nodules and then glue it on there, that works as well. So now we have this good base going of everything that's going to flow out of our cornucopia, and there's a lot of freedom in this. So I'm just gonna pull off some flower heads that I got them to match in the fall colors, and just pull off a couple to start with, a few of each. And because we have this plastic stick up here. It's actually a really good thing. It's what our flowers are going to adhere to. So starting on one side, I'm gonna put a little bit of hot glue on the back of the flower, and then starting at the bottom of the cornucopia, place a flower down there, and then alternating on the left and the right sides of where I'm gonna put my flowers. So I have the base of my flowers going down here, and if you wanna add a little bit more leaves coming out on the other side, it's totally up to you. If you have some leaves left, you can start sticking some leaves out on the end, and I'm just gonna continue working my flowers and my leaves all the way up. Now that I filled up my cornucopia with my flowers and my leaves, and the cornucopia is supposed to represent bounty and fall and harvest, so the last thing I'm going to add are my little pumpkin decorations that I found. And like I said, you can use whatever kind of decorations that you want. I just found these really cute dark orange tinted pumpkins, and they actually came on clips, so I don't have to hot glue them in. But if they didn't, I would have to hot glue them in. But I'm actually just gonna clip them in to the wreath form, pop them in all over, and it adds just a little bit more dimension and color to our cornucopia here. And the last thing that I'm going to do is I like to add a little bit of flowers on the end. I'm just gonna take one of my little flower ends, add some hot glue to the back, and put it right here on the end of my cornucopia. And there you go, a really quick and easy centerpiece for Thanksgiving. You can hang it on your door as well. If you wanted to add some ribbon on the back, hang it as a wreath to welcome everybody for fall. I hope you enjoy. Like I said, there are so many ways to repurpose that witch's hat frame to do a scarecrow hat or an elf hat. You can do so much with this. I just love this cornucopia idea, and I hope that you did too. If you liked it, don't forget to click the subscribe button and give this video a big thumbs up so I know you liked it and I can do more videos just like this for you of repurposing. Put it in the comments below. Let me know if you want to see me repurpose other holiday decorations into other holiday decorations, or use Christmas decorations to decorate for next year. Let me know what you think in the comments below. As always, full instructions will be on my blog, steffydcreates.com. Links to all the products I used in this video in the comments below. I love this. I can't wait to decorate my Thanksgiving table with this. It's just bright and happy. Reminds me of fall and harvest and all things crisp and cool and hot chocolatey and pumpkin spicy and okay. Too much. I get it. Anyways, I hope you liked this video. Thank you so much for watching. We'll see you next time.